Hi all, what a week it has been. Probably you felt as exhausted as me. A first course week can really be challenging, and some of you even had just started their education here at Tilburg. In any case, the snow this week can help me to relax a little bit, and I hope you could do the same. You are now starting with your second course week in data preparation and workflow management. And let's briefly recap. Last week, you discovered R as a tool to explore new datasets, some that you've never seen before. And you learned how to read those datasets into your computer's memory and then started to summarize the data in R Markdowns. I really like R Markdowns as they look and feel nice, but still allow you to work with code, so you can always reproduce your results later. The focus of this second course week is to build your data preparation skills. You may rightly wonder, wait, well, didn't I do this last week? Well, last week you've only looked at raw data. This week you're going to take the raw data and convert it into a new data set that you can then actually analyze later. For example, in my research on Spotify music consumption, I obtained data that listed for every user the songs they listened to, including the exact timestamps of when that happened. That's the raw data. However, for analysis, I needed to aggregate the data at the weekly level. So instead of seeing a user A listen to song B on the 1st of January at 1 o'clock, I needed to count all the songs a user has listened in the first week of January. That difference sounds subtle, but it is super important. I typically refer to this dataset as derived data, as it is derived from the raw data. And sometimes I just call it clean dataset or pre-cleaned dataset. You're going to discover a lot of ways in which to prepare data for analysis. And the tutorial on data preparation in R is probably the biggest task for you to work on this week. On top of it, you're going to study an article on marketing analytics for data-rich environments. The article was written by two colleagues who work at the University of Maryland. It introduces you to the world of marketing and how we actually became a data-driven discipline. And you'll learn, among others, about the various types of data that are available to us. What really is the difference between structured and unstructured data? What data is needed to conduct marketing mix modeling? And which data can be used to conduct research on personalization or security and privacy issues? In starting this week, remember to use the support chat on WhatsApp. I'm open to chat between 9 and 5 every day, except Thursdays. You can text me also outside of my working hours. And if your big question becomes outdated, please delete it from the chat so I don't have to take a look at it when I actually return to my desk during regular working hours. Finally, please keep an eye on the course page and Canvas for updates, as I'm still prepping the next weeks. I really look forward to seeing you on Friday, and if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me in the meantime. Thanks a lot for watching.